Is your Windows 11 system running out of disk space because some users store too many files? Don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you how to use disk quotas to limit user storage on your Windows 11 computer. Let's get started. Disk quotas are a feature in Windows that allow you to set storage limits for users on an NTFS formatted drive. This helps manage disk usage and ensures one user doesn't take up all the available space. You need administrative privileges to enable quotas. Before we begin, make sure the drive you want to configure is formatted with the NTFS file system and that you have admin access. Now let's get into the steps. First, open File Explorer and locate the drive you want to configure quotas for. Right-click the drive and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Quota tab. Here you'll find options to enable and configure disk quotas. Check the box for Enable Quota Management. This activates the feature and starts tracking user disk usage. Let's set a disk quota for all users. To apply the same disk quota limit across your system, enable the Limit Disk Space to option and specify the desired quotas. Select the appropriate unit from the drop-down menu. Next, configure the Set Warning Level 2 field by entering the threshold at which users will receive a notification about their quota usage. Again, select the appropriate unit from the drop-down menu. To strictly enforce the quota and prevent users from storing additional files, enable the Deny Disk Space to users exceeding quota limit option. Once done, click Apply and then OK. Disk quotas will now be active on your selected drive. Let us now see how to set a disk quota for a specific user or users. Let us now see how to set a disk quota for a specific user or users. Select New Quota Entry. This allows you to set a unique limit for a specific user. In the Select Users dialog box, choose the user you want to configure the quota for. If the user is not listed, you can manually search by entering their username. After selecting the user, specify the quota limit and warning level. For example, you can set a quota of 10 gigabytes with a warning at 9 gigabytes to notify the user before they reach their limit. The unique quota for the selected user will now appear in the quota entries list. You can edit or remove this entry anytime by right-clicking it. You can also monitor each user's disk usage in real time from the quota entries window. If a user needs more or less space, simply modify their quota limit. Customizing disk quotas for individual users ensures efficient storage management while catering to different user needs. Make this a part of your regular system maintenance routine. You can also remove users from the list if you want, and that's it. With disk quotas, you can efficiently manage storage on your Windows 11 system and prevent users from overloading your drives. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.